Okay, so I've cracked these loose. Let's take out the filler first, because always safer to get that one out first, just in case you have a problem. You go along and you take the drain plug out, and then only to find out that your filler's seized or something, and then you're stuck with your gearbox strained and you have no way of getting oil back in there. So always take that one off first. Next I will take off the drain plug, but I just need to use two hands for that so that I can not make a total mess everywhere. Okay, as you can see, this oil is exceptionally clean. Like, it is, I don't think it's done more than 100 miles. So very clean oil, but having bought the bike, I don't know its previous history, so it's always better just to do it yourself. And sometimes, you know, you get this sort of thing where it's very clean, but I didn't want to let it drain out a little and then mix it with a different oil, so just let it all out and keep the plan going as you had planned, and then go from there. But yeah, this oil really didn't need to be changed. Okay, so I've put the filler plug, well, the drain plug back in, torqued up to 30 Newton meters. Now I will put a litre of oil in, which is basically up to the bottom threads, and then that also gets torqued up to 30 Newton meters, and that's pretty much it. It's not too difficult, anyone can pretty much do it. So yeah, do your own servicing and then you'll know where your bike's at. Okay, so drain plug back in, filler plug back in. This took 1 litre of oil. Some state 800 mils, but mine took a litre just to the bottom of the threads, and it was starting to come out. So that's new. Final drive is done, and these are both torqued to 30 Newton meter, so they're torqued a bit higher than the final drive. So I hope you find that helpful, and I may do the service now, I may do it later, so we'll just see. But if not, then I hope you found this video helpful on how to do your Beamer's final drive and gearbox oil change. Thanks for watching.